If you are also looking for a way to go viral quickly by creating a faceless channel on a TikTok account or YouTube, watch this video till the end and know the best way to make your account viral. This is a unique niche that very few people talk about, but in this video, I will teach you the complete step-by-step method that will take you very little time to make such videos and go viral. The most interesting thing is that this kind of video is liked by adults as well as kids, so it takes very little time for your account to go viral. Earning $19K to $29K by making animated videos with free AI tools is now easy and exciting. You're aware that cartoon videos aren't just for kids anymore. Adults with similar interests also enjoy them. Creating such animated cartoons has become accessible to anyone, even without specialized animation skills, thanks to simple step-by-step processes. As you know, we often discuss new niche ideas along with their complete processes. In this video, I'll be delving into the latest cat video niche that's capturing the attention of a global audience. Take a look at this TikTok account. This account publishes animated cat stories and gets millions of views from them, which means passive income with little effort. Cat stories encompassing various topics have a knack for captivating audiences effortlessly. This is why your account can easily go viral. Let's explore the entire process of creating these types of videos with free AI tools easily. Go to ChatGPT and ask for story ideas. I have a one-story topic that will guide you on how to create other stories for your account. Go to ChatGPT, write your story idea in the text bar, and instruct to generate a story according to this idea. Write a 1-minute short unique story about a poor father cat who is compelled to the treatment of his son's cat who was admitted to the hospital due to illness. In a few seconds, it will generate the story according to your idea, and if you are not satisfied, recreate it from ChatGPT. The other way is first, you need a unique story for your video. And for this, you have to go to the TinyWow website, and after login, you can use this for your cat video story. Not just this, it has many other best functions for different uses. Click the AI Write tab, press the Story Generator option, enter the story topic, select paragraph numbers, and then press Generate. In a few minutes, it will generate a unique story according to your topic that can be saved on your computer. Now you need the specific video visual, and for this, you can use any image generator tool, but I will use the new and interesting tool that will not just create story images, but the voiceover also included. It will generate a complete story according to your desire. Let's move to the advance.AI.com, and after login, you will see some options on the left bar. Select the Story Studio tab and press the New Story tab. You will see the next window. Here you will see two options, but you have to choose. I have Story option and press it then. Choose Children's Story option, then paste your story in the text bar and must mention your characters' names with their short description in the upper text bar. Then press. Create this story tab. You can see in a few minutes it will generate captivating video with voiceover and captions according to your story. You can download and save it on your PC. In this tool, you can use Character Builder, Image Studio, and Video Studio for multiple purposes, and this tool provides you 100 credits as a beginner, but if you like to use it, you can get paid plan for more creations. I think it is not a big deal for your future success, and you can use this tool by my link given below in the description. Now your video is ready to publish. Take a look.
In a small, cozy town, there lived a humble father cat named Whiskers. He worked tirelessly day and night, doing odd jobs to provide for his family. His son, Mittens, fell ill and needed urgent medical attention, but Whiskers did not have enough money to pay for the hospital bills. Desperate to save his son, Whiskers set out to find a way to raise the funds. He tried everything from selling his meager belongings to begging for help from the villagers, but nothing seemed to work. Just when he was about to give up hope, a kind-hearted mouse named Squeaky offered to help. Squeaky had heard about Mitten's condition and wanted to do whatever he could to assist. Squeaky met with the doctor and asked the condition and treatment of the kitten, and the doctor told him all about it. Squeaky paid all the bills for the kitten and he requested to start treatment. On some days, the kitten got well. Mittens was very thankful for his kindness.
Be patient in making your video viral, and for 1 month regularly upload videos according to this type of story. Then slowly you can go viral.
Soon I will come up with new exciting unique ideas for making money from social media accounts with easy steps. Until next time, take care.